Guys, look at this! My surprise! Si Congressman Kiko Barzaga, impeachment complaint kay BBM. Wow, so excited for this, guys. Tingnan nyo to.
Welcome back to the Crocodile Farm. Absent ulit ang mga buhaya, nagbakasyon na. At may surprise ulit ako sa inyo. It is the Marcos impeachment complaint. Amyaw. So under the grounds of betrayal of public trust, I am filing an impeachment for President Marcos. And hopefully, Congress will remove him soon so we can start investigating those involved in the flood control anomalies. Bye-bye, Marcos! Bye-bye, Marcos! Welcome back.
Wow! Guys, remember, nung sinabi niyang bye-bye Martin Romualdez, nag-resign as speaker si Martin Romualdez nung nagsabi siyang bye-bye. Sino yung sunod? Si Zaldico, si Lacson. Sinabi niyang bye-bye Ping Lacson. Oh, natanggal naman, nag-resign si Lacson. Ngayon naman guys, wow, let's pray for this na talaga naman talagang mawala na tagayan si BBM guys. Kailangan talaga ito na mangyari sa loob ng like as soon as possible kasi lugmok na talaga yung Pilipinas guys sa utang. Grabe na talaga. At umani na naman, grabe. 10 million views kaagad. Oo guys, ay hindi, 3 million views pala. Umani na ng sangkatutak na views. Grabe. Grabe, sobrang daming comment dito. Lakas mo talaga, Kong. Iba ang kabitenyo. Wala bang bangag farm dyan, Kong? Tataba ang mga buwaya dyan. Crocs is ready. Ang ganda naman pala ng Manila Zoo, pero bakit puro buwaya? Wow! So, guys, ano masasabi niyo dito? I'm so excited for this na sana naman no at lagdaan ng maraming kongresista itong impeachment na to. So, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Have a great day. Bye!